Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you make or receive phone calls on your Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic. To make a receive call on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic, you'll need to connect phone and potentially LTE service as well. Now first thing, you want to open the phone app, swipe up from the watch face to access the app screen, then tap the phone app. After which you could use the keypad and type in the number. Tap the contact icon, select the contact and then tap the call icon. And swipe up to view the recent call as well. You could go and view it up and tap on the call icon to initiate the call as well. Once you've actually done it, so you could then go ahead and do it. And if you want to receive and answer the call, you could, when a call comes in, the watch will vibrate and display the caller's number or a name. Then swipe the green phone icon to the answer and swipe the red phone icon to the left to reject the call and send it to a voicemail. Now during a call, you could adjust the volume by tapping the volume icon and moving the slider as well. And that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.